As soon as I get that thumbs up, yeah, there it is. We're getting ready to go. All right, here we go. Match number 18 in 3, 2, 1, go. All right, autonomous mode kicking off. We got Blue Alliance grabbing that foundation. They're trying to drag it back to that build site. On their teammate, looks like they grabbed the Sky Stone in autonomous mode and brought it under that bridge. That is some bonus points, some good bonus points. They have the second Sky Stone trying to bring it under that bridge. They got it under and parked under that Sky Bridge. Good job, Blue Alliance. Over on the Red Alliance side, they're trying to get both teams parked under that Sky Bridge, and it looks like they succeeded.
3, 2, 1.
Oh, this could be a high-scoring match. It is setting up to be one anyways. Let's see how the teleop mode goes. Over here on Blue Alliance's side, we have stones being delivered to the build zone. One stone stacked on that foundation. Looks like Red Alliance is trying to grab their foundation, bring it over to their build site. Uh-oh, if they interfere with Blue's foundation while it is in that build site, that may be some penalty points. We'll see how the refs score it. All right, Blue has stacked some stones in front of the foundation. That won't get them points, although bringing it under their Sky Bridge does. Let's see, looks like they're building up those stones. They may get in the way. We will see. We got another stone delivered to the Blue foundation. Over on the red side, we got stones being delivered from the quarry, trying to get them under that Sky Bridge. The foundation has been delivered. That means they could score some extra points in the end game if they can remove the foundation in the end game. Over on the Blue side, got 2 more stones on that foundation while my attention was over on the red side. Looks like they're starting to get that teamwork started. It's always great to see. Definitely seen some very unique and very amazing robots today. Quite amazing work from all of our teams. That is the end game getting started. End game. Blue immediately gets that foundation out of their build site. Now let's see if they can park in that build site. Red side, they still have the foundation in the build site. Got 15 seconds to move it out. 15 seconds to move it out. Let's see what they can do. We got 1 of Blues, 2 of Blues parked in that build site. That is an impressive end game in 4, 3, 2, 1. End of match number 18. I don't know, we could have a pretty high score going here. We'll have to see how the refs judge things. Good job, Red Alliance, and good job, Blue Alliance. Passing it back over to Jamie to set up match 19.
All right.